Question number 8. An emergency room nurse is assessing a 22-year-old male who has been using opioids. What symptoms indicate that the client had overdose? Option A, constricted pupil and hypotension. Option B, vomiting and tachycardia. Option C, pupillary dilatation and hypertensive crisis. And option D, tremor and ataxia. The right answer is option A, constricted pupil and hypotension. Pinpoint pupil यानी कि constricted pupils indicate the opioid overdose. The question number 2. Which of the following pair is not the negative symptoms of schizophrenia? Option A, emotional flattening and asociality. Option B, anhedonia and amotivation. Option C, poverty of speech and apathy. And option D, hallucination and bizarre behavior. The right answer is option D. The right answer is option D. Hallucination and bizarre behavior is not the negative symptom of schizophrenia. It is the positive symptom of schizophrenia. Next question number 3. The nurse is providing a teaching session to a client who has ulcerative colitis. The nurse will instruct the client for which diet? Option A, carbohydrate consistent diet. Option B, high calorie high protein diet. Option C, high calcium and high potassium diet. And option D, low residual low fiber diet. The right answer is option D, low residual and low fiber diet. This diet is provided in the condition of the ulcerative colitis. Question number 4. Which of the following categories would a 70-year-old adult be placed in? Option A, intimacy versus isolation. Option B, generativity versus stagnation. Option C, integrity versus despair. And option D, longevity versus guilt. The right answer is option C, integrity versus despair. The right answer is option C. Question number 5. Furosemide act on which part of nephron? Option A, proximal tubules. Option B, descending limb of the loop of Henle. Option C, ascending limbs. Option D, distal tubules. The right answer is option C, ascending part of loop of Henle. The right answer is option C. Next question number 6. Question number 6. Person with schizophrenia has found to repeat whatever words the psychiatric nurse was speaking. This behavior can be labeled as option A, echopraxia. Option B, neologism. Option C, word salad. And option D, echolalia. The option D, echolalia. The right answer is option D, echolalia. Question number 7. After falling from 10 feet ladder, a patient is brought to the emergency department. The patient is alert reports back pain and difficulty moving the lower extremity, which additional observation is an indication the patient may be experiencing neurogenic shock. Option A, cool and pale skin. Option B, bradycardia. Option C, poor skin trigger. And option D, increased systolic blood pressure. The right answer is the right answer is the right answer is option B. The right answer is option B. B. Bradycardia. The bradycardia is indicated the neurogenic shock. Neurogenic shock. All shock are the tachycardia, but the neurogenic shock is the bradycardia. Next question. The nurse should instruct a patient who is to receive digoxin bracket में Lenoxin to report development of which of the following side effect? Option A, ringing in the ears. Option B, alopecia. Option C, signs of bruising. Option D, sensitivity of sunlight. The right answer is option D, sensitivity of sunlight. Sensitivity of sunlight. Next question, question number 9. Match list. First with list, second, and indicate your answer with help of the code given below. Option A, epidemiology. B, syndrome. 3, incidence. 4, prevalence. P indicate number of new cases that occur over a given period of time. Q indicated study of the distribution of the disease or health related behavior in the given population. R indicated number of cases in population in a given period of time. S indicated a group or cluster of symptoms that occur together. So the right answer is option C. The right answer is option C. यानी कि P is equal to 3, incidence. P indicated incidence, Q indicated epidemiology, R indicated prevalence, and S indicated syndrome. So the right answer is option C. 3242. Question number 10. Which of the following does not describe an obsession? Option A, continually receiving a traumatic event. Option B, an unwanted thought that a person finds untrustworthy and distressing. Option C, a behavior that a person feels complete to perform. Option D, something a person enjoy doing and talking about constantly. Option A, 1, 2 and 4. Option B, 2 and 4. Option C, 2, 3 and 4. And option D, 1, 3 and 4. The right answer is option D. Option D, 1, 3 and 4. Question number 11. Arrange the following 5 events in correct order of occurrence. Option A, stimulation of anterior pituitary. Second, stimulation of ovary. Third, stimulation of neurosecretory cells. Fourth, release of gonadotropic hormones. Fifth, release of gonadotropin releasing hormone. Codes. Option A indicated 3, 5, 1 for 2. Option B, second for 1, 5, 3. Option C, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. And option D indicated, and option D 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. The right answer is option A. The right answer is option A, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. The right answer is option A. Question number 12. Arrange the following events in order of their occurrence in panic circle. Option A, appearance or worry. Option B, body sensation. Third, perceived threat. Fourth, interpretation of sensation as catastrophic. Fifth, trigger stimulus code. Option A, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Option B, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. C, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. And option D. Option D, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. The right answer is option C, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. The right answer is option C. Question number 13. While receiving blood transfusion, the patient develops chills and headache. What should be the nurse's initial action? Option A, notify the physician state. Option B, stop the transfusion immediately. Option C, cover the patient with a blanket and administer ordered acetaminophen. Option D, slow the blood flow and keep vein open. The right answer is option B, stop the transfusion immediately. The important question: during the transfusion reaction, the first action of the nurse is the stop the transfusion immediately. Question number 14. Choose the most therapeutic response to Mr. Syam's question, I am going to die. Option A, we are going to die one day. Option B, what has your doctor told you? Option C, you really don't want to talk about that, do you? Option D, would you like to talk about your condition and prognosis? The right answer is option D, would you like to talk about your condition and prognosis? This is the best response of the nurse. Question number 15. Which of the following would be a common indication of infiltration of a peripheral intravenous infusion? Option A, redness and swelling around the insertion site. Option B, blood return in the cannula. Option C, difficulty regulating the flow with gravity. Option D, cool skin distal to the insertion side. The right answer is option D. Cool skin distal the insertion site is the symptom of the infiltration of the peripheral intravenous infusion. Question number 16. Mr. Babita is an emergency room after being involved in a traffic accident. What should an early sign of hemorrhagic shock? Option A, increased blood pressure. Option B, pallor. Option C, increased pulse. Option D, deep breathing. The right answer is option C, increased pulse. Increased pulse means each condition is known as the tachycardia, and the tachycardia is the sign of the hemorrhagic shock. It indicated the blood loss and indicated the hemorrhage. And the tachycardia is the common symptoms and common indication is the hemorrhagic shock. Question number 70. Mr. Anita asked the nurse when she can start eating after surgery. What is the most appropriate response by the nurse? Option A. Who will have asked the doctor? Option B. Tell me about your appetite. Option C. Who will likely start on clear fluid once bowel sound can be heard. Option D. I will have to dietitian consult with about your most nutrition post surgery. The right answer is option C. You would like to start clear fluid once vowel sound can hear. It indicated in the condition of the post surgery the wait for the vowel sound, vowel movement. After the vowel movement, we start the clear fluid and then start the eating. So the right answer is option C. The right answer is option C. Question number 18. When caring for an infant during cardiac arrest, which pulse must be palpated to determine cardiac function? Option A carotid, option B brachial, option C pedal, option D radial. The right answer is option B brachial pulse. In the age of infant during the cardiac arrest, mostly the determine the pulse is the brachial. So the right answer is option B. Question number 19. The evidence to assess whether or not experimental treatment condition has made the difference refer to. Option A external validity, option B internal validity, option C criterion validity, option D constrict validity. The right answer is option B. The right answer is option B internal validity. The right answer is option B. Question number 20. Which nursing theory believe that most patients are capable of performing self-care? Option A Dorothea Oram. Option B Madeleine Lellinger. Option C Martha Rogas. Option D Sister Callista Roy. The right answer is option A Dorothea Oram. Dorothea Oram is capable of this theory is believed in capable of performing self-care. The right answer is option A Dorothea Oram. Question number 21. If positive over-the-counter pregnancy test is considered, option A possible sign of pregnancy, option B presumptive sign of pregnancy, option C probable sign of pregnancy, and option D positive sign of pregnancy. The right answer is option C probable sign of pregnancy is the right answer. Question number 22. Who are working in a pediatric unit of the hospital and caring for a 6-year-old baby who is hospitalized with cystic fibrosis and respiratory compromise. Which development task is the challenge for the toy in this age? Option A to cough, deep breathe and improve respiratory status. Option B to establish industry and self-confidence. Option C, to develop autonomy and self control. And option D, to develop, initiate, and sense of purpose. The right answer is the right answer is option B, to establish industry and self confidence. The right answer is option B. Question number 23. During which week does the fetal heart being pump its own blood? The important question. During which week does the fetal heart being pump its own blood? Option A, third week. Option B, fourth week. Option C, fifth week. And option D, sixth week. Option D, sixth week. The right answer is the right answer is the right answer is option A, third week, means 21 days. 21 days. The baby heart start beat at 22 days, means third week, after 20 women conceive, but earliest to be seen in fifth week by the vaginal ultrasound. So the right answer is option A, third week. Question number 24. Which type of cancer has the poorest prognosis? Option A, squamous cell carcinoma. Option B, breast cancer. Option C, pancreatic cancer. And option D, gastric cancer. The right answer is option C. The right answer is option C. Pancreatic cancer is the poor prognosis. Right answer is option C. Question number 25. The stage of infection in correct sequence order are. The stage of infection in correct sequence order are. Option A, the prodromal incubation, illness and convalescence stage. Option B, the incubation, prodromal illness and convalescence stage. Option C, the prodromal primary infection, secondary infection and tertiary infection. Option D, the inflammation, infection and disease. The right answer is option B, the incubation, prodromal illness and convalescence stage. So the right answer is option B. Question number 26. Question number 26. Match list first with the list second and give your answer with the help of quotes given below. P indicated acetylcholinogenic system, Q indicated the neurogenic system, R indicated serotogenic system, and S indicated hypokeratogenic system. Option A, ref nuclear. Option B, lateral hypothalamus. ऑप्शन 3 नंबर पे pons and basal forebrain, and fourth local cerebellus. So the right answer is option D. So the right answer is option D. यानी कि P यानी कि द एसेटोकोलिनिक सिस्टम यानी कि इज इंडिकेटेड थर्ड नंबर पे. इस सिस्टम इज द pons and basal forebrain. Then Q indicated, Q means the neurogenic system यानी कि ये 4 is the locus coeruleus. R indicated, R means serotogenic system, and this is the option number 1 is the raphe nuclear, and S indicate the hypokeratogenic system, and is indicated option B, यानी कि lateral hypothalamus. So the right answer is the option D. The right answer is the option D. Question number 27. Which of the following is the best method to receive constipation during pregnancy? Option A, lying flat on the back while sleeping. Option B, increasing the intake of vegetables and fruits. Option C, reduction of iron intake by half. Option D, taking a mild over the counter laxative. The right answer is option B, increasing the intake of vegetables and fruits. The right answer is option B. Question number 28. Of the following, which disease cause most death worldwide? Option A, cardiovascular disease. Option B, HIV/AIDS. Option C, malaria. And option D, tuberculosis. And the right answer is option A, cardiovascular disease is the most common death in worldwide. Question number 29. Which of the following is a vector in infection? Option A, an infectious fly. Option B, an contaminated thermometer. Option C, a contaminated ball. And option D, an infected person. So the right answer is option A, an infected fly. An infected fly work as a vector of infection. Question number 13. An infant born with non-communicating hydrocephalus has just had a ventroperitoneal shunt (VP shunt) inserted. In condition to neuromuscular assessment, what measure should the nurse use a child's care plan? Option A, reinforced wet dressing every 2 hourly. Option B, position the infant on operative side. And option C, place infant in semi-foveal position. And option D, measure head and abdominal circumference. So the right answer is option D, measure the head and abdominal circumference, because it indicated it measure and to assessment for the increased ICP. So the right answer is option D, measure head and abdominal circumference. Thank you so much.